Dear viewers, welcome to LensView. In this video, you will see how the Tata Punch managed to score 5-star rating for adult occupant protection and 4-star rating for child occupant protection, surpassing all the crash test reports, global ncap crash test report, whatever it has been done till date in the Indian manufactured cars. You will have a doubt, even though it is made in the platform of Ultros in modular construction, how it managed to get the scores more than the Ultros. Even you will be surprised to see it has surpassed the scores of even XUV300 and Tata Nexon. When you recall the global ncap program, the first car to score 5-star was the Tata Nexon, then followed by Tata Altos. Then came the XUV300, which scored 5-star for adult and 4-star for the child occupant protection, which was the safest car in India till the Tata Punch surpassed the score of the XUV300. So where lies the secret? There are several methodologies for crash testing, and it is called as ncap, generally called as ncap, New Car Assessment Program. There are different ncap testing agencies like Euro ncap, Latin ncap, and Global ncap has taken a voluntary step for safer cars for India campaign. That is, the cars manufactured in India will be tested by the Global ncap and will be certified for the safety rating. And apart from this, the vehicle manufacturers also will have the safety test rig with them, but that is not valid. So an independent agency shall test the cars manufactured. So for that, we have different voluntary organizations and agencies for testing, who are the authorized bodies to test and certify the cars manufactured. So in this connection, it can be a voluntary testing or it can be non-voluntary also. For example, in the case of Tata Punch, the manufacturer Tata Motors, before the launch of the car, they have given the car for Global ncap to test and certify it. So in this case, they will pick up a car from the production lot and they will test it and they will deliver the result. In the case of non-voluntary, Global ncap themselves will choose the car from a dealer and they will test and produce the results. Generally, they will go for lower variant of the car testing, because if lower variant score is met, then the higher variant will obviously meet the test results. So when this testing is done, there are some points which can improve the scores. So this is the secret how the Tata Punch got more scores than any other cars tested till date now. What is the secret? If you carefully see the crash test reports released by Global ncap, you will notice that in the case of child occupant, it has scored the maximum scores compared to any other car. So this is what improved the test rating of the car. When you observe carefully, both the child, normally they will test a 3-year-old child and 18-month-old child, that is dummies they will keep. Both the child dummies were kept in rear facing position. So if a child dummy is kept in rear facing position, that will definitely improve the safety crash score. Whereas in other cars like Nexon or Altos or XUV300, they kept the 3-year-old dummy in the forward facing position. If you carefully watch the crash test report, you can download from Global ncap and read it. So one of the child dummy, that is 3-year-old child dummy, will be forward facing. So because of that, it will attract more collision. Whereas if both the child occupants, that is dummies, are kept in rear facing, comparatively it will see the less impact and the scores will definitely improve. So this is the secret. The Tata Punch kept both the child dummies in the rear facing position and they could get the highest star rating as on date. Hope you got the secret very clearly. And moreover, one more thing have you noticed, whenever frontal collision is done in the Global ncap, they will normally go for alloy wheels. What is the reason? Because steel wheels may absorb more energy, so such that the structure will absorb less energy. So the collision test results may get jeopardized. So alloy wheels will not absorb that much energy when compared to steel. So normally the alloy wheels will pass on the impact to the structure such that you are getting the actual test results. So if you watch the Global ncap frontal collision test videos carefully, you will notice that the alloy wheels variants are getting tested. So these are the two things you will notice whenever future cars are tested, such that you will get more clarity. For side impact collision, it is not mandatory that alloy wheels segment has to be used. It can be steel wheel also. Thank you guys. Hope you got all the doubts cleared. Like the video, share the video, subscribe and support the LensView. Thank you.